This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Power in MM2. Ghost Power is a fantastic ability that lets you become completely invisible to other players for a brief period. This can be incredibly useful, whether you're trying to escape a dangerous situation or planning a clever ambush. To activate it, you'll need to find and collect the special Ghost Power-up that appears in various locations across the map. Let's dive into the details of mastering this stealthy skill. Activating Ghost Power is quite straightforward once you know what to look for. Keep an eye out for the distinct Ghost Power-up, which typically manifests as a glowing, ethereal orb within the game environment. Simply walk directly over this power-up, and your character will automatically become invisible. You'll notice a clear visual cue, such as your character fading slightly, confirming that your Ghost Power is now active and ready for use. This invisibility lasts for several seconds. Ghost Power offers numerous strategic advantages in MM2. As an innocent, you can use it to vanish when the murderer is hot on your trail, buying precious seconds to hide or find the sheriff. If you're the sheriff, it's perfect for sneaking up to grab the gun without being seen, giving you a critical edge. It's also excellent for navigating tricky map sections, allowing you to slip past opponents or access advantageous positions completely undetected. Master these tactics for better gameplay. To truly maximize your Ghost Power, timing is absolutely everything. Try to activate it just as the murderer is about to spot you, or right before you make a crucial move. Combining your invisibility with quick movements can create highly unpredictable escape routes, making you incredibly difficult to track. Remember, Ghost Power usually lasts for about 5 to 7 seconds, so make every moment count. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with its uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.